Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you best free cash bonus code. Okay, now in order to get the bonus code, you should follow the free cash websites or pages on Facebook, Instagram, and X or Twitter. They usually release there some coupon codes and some gift cards so you can actually use them and use the coupon codes and the promos or referral links just right here in order to redeem them and get some coins. Now you can also get bonus if you refer to someone of your friends, so you can simply go to invite friends, then go and type here your referral link, type here any name, then click on this correct sign, then click on copy link. And every time every one of your friends get into the link, you will get bonus. Now the second thing is to go, when you sign up, you have here a referral code. You just have to enter here the referral code. Now the third option is to go to gifts or promotions. Then you should go up here in the bonus section in the middle. Then you want to go to coupons. Then you want to enter here the coupon code that you have. Here I have some coupon codes like Finder, but it's only one use 3141, but is already also used. But you can use the 2026 bonus and see if it works with you or not. And remember, you should follow them on their social media accounts or pages in order to get free codes regularly and promo codes that will give you coins. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.